Hi, I hope you are doing good. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can edit your Cargo 2 site, and if you want to build a new site in Cargo 2 editor, which is the older version of site editor provided by Cargo Collective, and the new one is Cargo 3. And if you want to learn about Cargo 3, then you can check out my this video portfolio website in Cargo 3, in which I have talked about like how you can uh, use Cargo 3 site editor. But many people have their site already built in Cargo 2, or they are more familiar with the Cargo 2 version. So I'm going to show you like the different settings and how you can create a site in Cargo 2, because Cargo 2 is still functional, and it is not like that they are going to discontinue the Cargo 2, because like many people have their site already built in Cargo 2, and like there is no way to transfer the site to Cargo 3 as well. So yeah, the Cargo 2 is still functional and will be functional in future as well. So yeah, let's see how to do this thing. And yeah, before getting started, if you want to like get the CSS code and read more about Cargo site editor, I have created different blogs on my site. I will link this in the description as well. So yeah, you can check this out as well. And so yeah, let's get started. So first, let me log into my before login, this is the Cargo site. And if you go to the design lab here, where there are all the templates, so these templates are basically built in Cargo 3, which is the new one. And if you want to import a template which was built in Cargo 2, so what you need to do, you have to go to this URL, which is cargo.site/templates. So by going to this URL, you can access all the templates which are built in Cargo 2, and yeah, you can import any of them. For now, I'm going to import a blank template, which is let me just search for it, which is this one, and title it blank. So yeah, I'm going to start with this template, and I'm going to log in here. Then it is going to ask me about the URL. I'm just going to give a random URL like this. We can edit this in the later on as well. So now if you will go to click on your site, then it will show you all the websites which you have in your account. So like these are the dummy websites which I have in my account. And if you see, like this website has a label Cargo 2, it means that this one is built in Cargo 2, and the other one which does not have any label, these are Cargo 3 site. So what you can do, you can just simply come here and click on edit in Cargo 2. And let me just quickly delete this page. And after that, it will look something like this. If I will open, let me just, to create a new page, you need to click on plus icon, then it will create a new page here. You can click on this, and after that, it will open, and you can change the page name like, so this is going to be our home page. Let me add some random text. This is my home page. And if you will open URL in the new tab, So this is the buy me coffee. Let me just close this tab. Yeah, if I'm opening this URL in a new window, you can see it is blank, because currently what we have to do, we need to make this thing as home. So now this page is set as a home page. It means that now this is a default page, and now if I will refresh it, you can see that it is showing the text here. To add more page, you can simply click here and add more page. Like if you want to add page something like about page, you can come here and change the page name about page, and this is about page. So yeah, this is the about page. If you want to directly open this page, you can click on this direct link. It will open that page in a new tab. So the settings which you are seeing up here, like this is the image tab. You can upload a new image here. Suppose this is the image which you want to add. Let me just add a random image. You can upload a new image from here, and yeah, you can simply drag this thing and in the editor, and after that, if I then save this thing and again open this in a new tab, you can see that now we can see the image. It is basically a GIF which are important. Now it has some design setting which will be applied to this particular page. And like if you want to align the text, like when this for the text alignment, it will you can align the text like this. You can change the width of the page from here as well. You can see that the width has been changed, and now if I align it, you can see that the alignment is working. Let me make it 100% and align to the left side. If you want to change the page background, you can change the page background from here as well. Yeah. And yeah, this is the page background. So this is applied to only this page. Only this is the local changes for this page. Now, if you see by default, this is the text which we added here. And if you will go in the code view, you can see the code on this page as well. So now you can see that if you want to change the styling of this particular text, this text by default is body copy. So if you want to change the font size, you can change the font size from here, and the line height as well. So line height is basically the spacing between the different text. Suppose if I will add one more text here. So the line height is basically the height between the two lines. And from here you can change the font size. But if you want to change, you can make it as H1 as well, which is the heading one, and H2 as well. This is the different styling which you can give to different text present in your page. So now if I will select this, we can see that it is selected by S, which is small. Now you can customize the small font size from here, and we can change the text color from here as well. Let me just see. Yeah, you can see that the text has been changed. Similarly, you can make it as H2, and after that you can change the text styling from here. So yeah, that's how you can change the styling of the text. Now let me save this thing. So this styling is only for this page. But what about if you want to give the styling global styling? So then we have to go to the design tab. In the design tab, you can give the site like site alignment to all the pages present in the site. Similarly for the padding as well, this the padding, which is basically the spacing from the top, bottom, right and left, and the text alignment. If you see, now I have made the text alignment to the left and I have saved this thing. So now for both our page, which is the home page and the about page, the alignment for the text will be left. And if I will add any new page here, something like this, and I will add any text here as well, it will also follow the same alignment, which is the right alignment. I'm sorry for the spelling mistake. So yeah, I hope you have understood now. So in the design tab, any changes which you will make here, it will be applied globally. So now if I will make this as red, so all the pages will have the red background. And if you will add a new page like this, it will also have the red background. So now these are the 4 text style, which is body copy, which is the by default. So by default, the text which you will add, it will be selected by body copy styling. And now if I will change the font size, you can see that the font has been changed because this is the default style. You can change the text color as well, like this. I'm going to keep this black, and this is the link color. I will talk about it later. You can change the fonts from here. It has Cargo has different font options as well. It is taking a little bit time to load. So yeah, and you can just browse any of use any of the font present here. Currently it is sans serif default font. Now let's talk about the menu, how you can create a menu. So menu or header, let's talk about, I am basically both are the same thing. So I am making this naming this page as header. First let me just change the settings which I have done here. I'm going to keep the default like white color for all the pages. So this is the header, and in the header, suppose you have the logo here. What you can do, in the left side we have logo, and in the right side we want the different link for the pages like about, contact. What you can do, you can simply add a column here, and now you can see that it has 2 columns here. You can resize the column size from here, something like this. Let me add a text here, which is about and contact, something like this. Now you can see if I will drag this, it will change the column width from here. I'm going to select it and move it to the right side of the page. So this is how we can create a add a header. And now to link this page, you can simply click on select the page and click on link icon, and after that select the about page which we have here. Now click on save. If you see, now when we link the page, it has changed the text color to new. So what we can do, we can go on the body copy, because we know that by default the text style is body copy. We can change the default body link color to something like if you want gray, something like light gray suppose. So yeah, we can change it from here. And after that, if you see, now this header, we want that this header should be present in every page at the top. So we need to pin this page, and after that, after pinning this page, make sure it is adjusted so that it adjusts and the other content comes below this header. So now if you will see, and let me just change the background color for this header as well, something like this, so it look little bit different. Now if I will refresh the page here, yeah, you can see that now this header is present in the about page as well, and when I go to the home page, it is present in the home page as well, because we have created a common header and we have pinned this page so that it is visible at the top of the present at the top of every page. We can move it to the bottom as well, and yeah, like we have to make this one as, like, as you can see, it is moved to the bottom, but our home page size is not 100% width. So what you can do, you can just make it 100% height. So now you can see that our head, our menu has moved it to the bottom, but I'm going to keep this at top of the page like this. Now we want that on clicking on our logo or any text, we can simply add an image from here, like this. Let me just add it quickly. Suppose this is the logo. Let me drag it here. Let me drag it inside this column. As you can see now, our image has been added. So we want to link this to our home page. So whenever anybody will click on this icon, they will go to the home page. So now if we will go to the about page and anybody will click on this icon, they are going to move to our home page. So yeah, that's how you can add this thing. If you want to add emojis, all these things, you can add the emojis from here. I have different, like you can check out different videos in my YouTube channel in which I have talked about a particular topic. Okay, there is some issue while recording this video. Okay, now it's good. So yeah, you can check out my YouTube channel as well. Let me just. So now let's talk about contact form. To add a contact form, we can simply go to the header and after that select it and link it with the contact form, which is the default contact form provided by Kargo. If you want to add a custom contact form with the like different fields, then you need to use some third-party plugin. So now this is the contact form we have added as well. Now let's talk about the thumbnails. So thumbnails are basically, suppose you have different projects added in your website, and you want to display all the projects dynamically in your home page. So then the concept of thumbnails comes up. It's a very nice way to display your projects. So this is, suppose this is our project page, and this is basically a set. You can think it as a folder in which I will be storing all my project. So suppose this is the project 1. And project 1, and I'm going to just add a random text project 1. This is project 1 becoming text, and I'm going to make this one as small. If you want to add a moving text, you can add it from here. And if you want to change the text color, then what you can do, you can come here and change the text color from here as well. And apart from that, you can change the text alignment like this, make it bold and in italic as well. So I guess it is not becoming bold because it is not supported by the font, I guess. And if you want to add the emoji, you can add icon and emoji from here as well, something like this. So yeah, you can just try different things from here. Let me align to the left, and after that save this thing. Let me go back and duplicate this page like this, duplicate this one and this one as well, and I'm going to give this name as project 2 L.
I think in agree with a comment on the site.
This one as project 3. Let me change here as well. Sorry. 3. Yeah. And same for the project 2 as well.
So I can write it baby. And yeah, it doesn't need that.
Project 2. And here what we want that these projects should automatically show in our home page. So what we can do, we can go in the home page, and after that in the home page we can expand the design and click on show thumbnail index, and after that we can select a set from here, which is going to be our project page because we have created a set here. And now save it. As you can see, currently there are no projects showing up because we need to enable them from here. As you can see, the projects are showing up here. Like there is little bit spacing here because like previously what we did, we made this 100% height. Now you can see that the projects are showing up here dynamically. And if you will create and duplicate another page, it will show up here. Now let's talk about the images which you want to show, thumbnail images. We can just upload a new thumbnail image from here like this. Let me just choose any of the image. Maybe this one, this one, and this one. Okay, I guess, sorry, I have to select the one image. I have selected the multiple. Okay, let me just see. Yeah, okay, this one has been selected. So if I go back here now, you can see that the project 1 image has been changed. It is basically a GIF, sorry for that. And now let me choose image for the another one. Another project. And let me select this one. It looks cool. Now you can see that the project 2 has been changed as well. And now let's change for the third one as well quickly. So let's choose this one for the project 3. And if I go back here now, you can see that these has been added. Now you can go to the design tab to change this thumbnail layout by going to the thumbnail indexes. You can choose different layout from here. For now, I'm going to choose this one. It is going to like manage the image height according to its you can say auto layout. And for the mobile version, let's see how it looks for the mobile version. Yeah, it looks decent for the mobile as well. Let's fix the header for the mobile version. What you can do, you can simply go here and in the column settings, we can you can disable this thing which is single column on mobile, and now you can see it is going to look something like this for the mobile version. So yeah, that's how you can make the changes here. And yeah, I guess we have covered pretty much most of the things. And what you can do if you do not want to create a different header for the mobile version, you can go to the pin setting and hide this for the mobile version. And now you can see that the header is not more visible for the mobile version. You can simply duplicate this now and create a different header for the mobile version as per your need. And apart from that, let me see. If you want to customize the things, like if you know CSS, you can customize the code from here as well, and they use additional HTML from here. Like if you want to add a JavaScript code, something like this, you can come up here as well and write the JavaScript code. It is going to work. Like if I will save it now, okay, I made some of the typo. You can see that our JavaScript code is now working here. So yeah, that's how you can make the things. I hope you have found this video helpful. So thank you so much.